Kenya na muno Nyeri fraternity ni rashakaya gikuũ kia mũhunjia wĩ gatũ. And also ndeto itigĩte bũrũri na kĩmako na gĩtangĩko kĩnene mũno. Njũragano ya Magigi involving 3 women all from the same family, a woman, her daughter and a niece. Arĩa makorirwo makĩonekana matetwo kũndũ gũtiganĩte, one in Bahati, another one in Parklands and another one in Machakos. Makorirwo makĩingĩra ngari-inĩ ĩmwe on their way home, but they never arrived. That was the last time they were seen alive. And upon investigation, it is now revealed that ngari ĩyo monekanire makĩingĩra iracokire kuonekana ĩdampĩtwo handũ, ngari mũthemba wa Nissan Note. DCI nĩ marĩkĩtie kumbũra they found the car abandoned at Wakulima Market near Enacoach stage. And upon further investigation, they have now released the face and photo of the man whom they believe may have been the driver driving that car the day the victims were kidnapped and later on found dead. Rĩtwa rĩake arĩ Hashim Dagane Mohammed, aged 24. Na Akenya makĩhoyo kũrĩ mũndũ ũngĩkorwo na any information to report to them immediately and help bring justice to these 3 women, all from Eastleigh, all from one family, brutally murdered. And they have also revealed that they already have one other suspect in custody who is assisting them in the investigation. Na rĩu kũrĩ gĩkuũ na ndeto ya kĩeha ĩrĩkĩtie gũtũnga the entire Njeri fraternity. Mũhunjia wĩ gatũ wa kanitha wa Pefa uria oho arari overseer wa Pefa churches in Kieni West Upper nĩarĩkĩtie kũhurũka. Reverend Gerald Washira has passed away. The sad news of his death igitiga family na the entire fraternity ya Pefa church in deep mourning. He was not only a great minister but also a great leader. Ngai aromwe kĩhurũko kĩega. Pole sana to the family, pole sana to the Pefa church fraternity. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.